Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, it's your girl Swaggy, and today we are going to Kingston. But on the road to Kingston, we have to do some stuff. Errol will do COVID test because Errol is flying out tomorrow, and he will leave me for a couple of days. So I will be alone with the boys, trying to handle the stuff, the duties. Yeah, everyday routine. Yeah, so yeah man, Errol is going to play football in the football tournament. Where you go? State of Florida. Yeah man, state of Florida. I'm go. Yeah, gonna leave me behind in Jamaica. Can you believe? Where you leaving me? Why not taking me with you? Yeah, but I'm excited just to go to Kingston, and also Errol will pick up visas because they're ready. Yeah, the boys good to go, but me not really good to go. My visa soon expired. I'm gonna left alone in the dark.
So sad,
yeah, but thanks God, can do it. Yeah, Jamaica, amazing. Yeah, so I'm excited to go to Kingston because I'm going to the Chinese supermarket. Where else I'll go? Oh, I have a lot of plans that Errol even don't know about. You know? Because I have my little plans, but I don't tell Errol. Yeah, but first thing first, you're gonna do COVID test, right? Yeah. So, yeah, the new rule came out. You don't need to apply the application. What they call the application? What to enter Jamaica? Yeah, man. COVID application to enter the country. You don't need it anymore, guys.
Quarantine anymore.
You don't need for quarantine anymore, but you still need your COVID test. Well, I wanted to call Leo your name. Sometimes I do that. Yeah, not yet. I will not tell them for now. Just disappear in the morning. How you used to do when you used to play football. Just disappear early in the morning, so them not even realize. Yeah, that's how it always used to be when you used to live in Vietnam. I used to play football. You would just leave early in the morning before kids wake up. Yeah. Yeah. And then I would push them in a double stroller to school. Yeah. Mommy beer. Real mommy beer now. Physically fit. Yeah man. So I feel like those days are on the way back. You know?
Yeah.
I feel like we're going back to those days. That's how I feel now, right now. I can't say me like it, but everyone likes football, loves football, so you gotta support as a wife. Even sometimes your head hurts or you're tired, you gotta support. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna do the test here. It's Errol. Roxburgh.
Good thing I saw that sign.
And I saw that sign. Guys, also in Jamaica, you can call a private nurse to come and do the COVID test for you. But we didn't know about the trip. Like, it came spontaneously. It was spontaneous. Yeah, guys, so they do COVID testing right under this little tent. Yeah, so I'll go there. Do the COVID test for Errol. Yeah.
Wow! A dog!
The pups call. Look, Maga, like him a struggle. Oh man. Let's go, jump! Yeah!
You gonna get the butt now? The one that we can use on Florida.
Which one?
You can go America down there.
Ask how much for it.
Yeah. 6,000 for you, right? 7,000.
6,000 Jamaican. Okay. Hey guys, look on the good mango tree. We're gonna soon have a lot of mangoes. See some mangoes there. Yeah, I got thief somebody's mangoes, nah lie. Even here, we go come and pick up. If nobody gonna pick up before me. Here, I try so much mangoes on the tree. Stay. Oh, wait, Leo, will tear my bag.
See the grass? Juice!
Danny, it's not a juice, move from here. How was it?
That's a thing going
Alright?
That's the thing going in the right.
Because when we did one PCR in Jamaica in Portmore, the doctor pushed it like in my nose. I said, Chano,
In your nose?
yeah.
You put it in your head back.
I don't know how him did it, but I felt like it was like
Oh my
too
God.
far. Like
Okay.
it went straight to my brain.
Yeah, that,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how some people.
yeah.
But you guys, Errol just showed me crab holes. See them? So the big. Look from the crab holes, like nice crabs. Them there. Should I catch them too? Yeah. Yes, sir, guys. Errol is good to go. He's negative, and in America, you don't need PCR test. The one that they sent to the lab, no, it's like an express kind of test. So you're good to go. If I would travel to Russia, I would need PCR test, but it's more expensive in Jamaica, the PCR. So guys, Errol is good to go with just normal COVID test. Like to go to America, he paid 6,000 Jamaican for it. But if I would travel to Russia, I would need a PCR test. This test, the one that goes through the lab.
No.
This one is kind of instant, yeah. So you can know your result straight after they done it. But PCR, you have to wait like certain amount of hours, and also PCR is much more expensive. So we pay for one PCR like 23,000 Jamaican that time. And since we traveled together, me and Leo, we paid like 40 something. That was crazy. Errol, what do you just drive over every bump? So you're too excited to go away. So you drive with the passion.
What do you say so bumpy?
Welcome to Portmore. Welcome to Portmore.
It's the same catching.
You know, if you're gonna turn right, you're gonna end up in Portmore. See, I will always remember that turn. How many years my turn right? You excited?
To go play the match?
Yeah.
I'm excited to go play the match.
Yeah. Excited to be away from us.
Not excited. I'm gonna miss you guys. But I'm excited to go play the game. But I'm gonna miss you guys. I wish I could take you guys. You excited too?
Tomorrow we're gonna go here tomorrow.
Guys, we in Kingston. Yep. Traffic already? What?
Why?
Why? Busy Kingston. Busy. As always, as usual. See Canadian Embassy. Errol.
Yeah.
In front of us, Canadian Embassy. Guys, you see it? Yeah, guys, we're passing Devon House and Leo Daniel. They were begging to stop by some ice cream, but they cannot go on the grass today. Only, what them say, Saturdays. Weekends, here, can't go on the grass.
So we buy them ice cream on the grass.
Yeah, cause
Oh my god.
it's nice to chill here on the grass, but today it's not that day.
Which thing in there? That thing right there?
Yeah, and one thing about
it's like a
Kingston,
fire
it's
hydrant.
dead hot.
The fire
I am
hydrant. That's where
dying
the fire
from
truck
heat.
comes and put the hose and it gets water.
I'm so dying from heat. The Kingston is cold.
Yeah,
though.
that give me to the glasses up. I'm just an AC up on the tree and yes, still going on.
I am hot. I'm very hot. The guy
I walk in the
foreign.
city. So proud of you.
Oh.
Him see me, I record or him a
Yeah,
look?
look,
Just a look.
But you the sun turn on you.
Him a get him tan. So him come from Jamaica and tell everybody, yes man. And then he need to tell nobody. Just, you know.
Look on it.
Yeah, them just go look for him and say, yeah, this man have money if you go vacay. Go a foreign vacay. Somewhere where it's sunny. That's what Russian people do. They make sure when them come like to the tropical countries, well, it's winter in Russia, and they would lay down all day on the beach, take the sun tan until they get that strong unnatural tan, very unnatural. Yeah, so when them come to Russia back, everybody know them have money. They have money to go take a vacation somewhere where it's, you know, by the beach here, and where is no winter. I am more pale, like I'm living in Jamaica, and I have a little tan on me. But can you imagine? Easy. Can you imagine me, guys, when I'm in Russia? What, there's no sun like that, so I'm pale. Damn, I'm pale. So yeah, sometimes even Jamaican people ask me, Swaggy, why you don't get tan, you know? You live in Jamaica, what's up? What's wrong? I just can't get like that. That's my max. Can't get, you know, any darker than that. Yeah, that's my max. So guys, we came up to pick up the passports, and the line is long. It looks like we're gonna spend a little time here. Oh my god. You see, guys, the line is, yeah, pretty long. Yeah? What are you saying? And we decided to sit in the shop here. You want a cupcake?
Yeah, I want this
Alright,
one.
what do you want, Danny? You want something?
Come to
So, Errol dear. Errol, you see, guys, Errol? Yeah. We're gonna wait here because as much as Danny's a tip man than travel. So I feel like they will start 5 because they only had one vanilla cupcake, and both Danielle and Leo, they want a vanilla cupcake. So what I will do, let me open it. Wait.
Yes.
But you have to share it. One bite, and then give Danielle a bite. Tasty? How does it taste? Good? Just share, yeah? Remove the paper. See the paper, remove it. See the paper, you have to remove it here, so you don't bite it with it. See? See? Like this, see? You're biting with paper. I'm gonna get a smoothie for myself. Some natural smoothie. I will try. Yeah. Tasty?
Yeah.
Yummy? Look at you, try. Come, try.
Try. Yeah.
Yum? Tastes so healthy. Just a beetroot in it. Very good. Is everything okay? You're good to go? Oh?
I don't check out yet.
Oh, you're gonna check? Come on, go check. Yeah. How many years? And tell me how many years you get. How many? That is the number one question. No one for no. 10 years. Jesus, peace. You're good. 10 years. Alright. How many years kids get? I'm supposed to get it in a Jamaican though. Jamaican passport. How many years? 10 years. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. 10 years. Alright. And I'm going with Danielle. 10 years. That's what I'm saying. 10. I bet 10. Why? You're good. I'm jealous. Yo, I'm jealous. Why am I get 3 only? When every time I do my visa, I get 3. That's not fair. Hey guys, one thing we disappointed them deal with the birth papers. So bad, so rough. Teared some parts. Just, you know, look not really presentable. Yeah, man. So yeah, just look bad. crush up on. Because those are important documents, birth papers, original ones, not photocopy. And they did it with, like, whoever did with it, like, garbage. That's crazy. Hey guys, on the way to eat some food. And look at the mannequin. They need to fix the mannequin ASAP. Yeah guys, we are going to eat. Errol will take us to his favorite Chinese restaurant.
Pizza.
Yeah, kids will eat pizza. Every time we're there in Kingston, we just have to do things quick. I'm here doing things in rush, quick, cause yeah, more relax and make up my mind and just enjoy it. No, but every time I come to Kingston, it's fast. Like a Kingston rush. Yeah, man, Kingston rush we get every time we come to Kingston. This is a dumpling soup. This is what I bought.
Place of Jamaica.
This. Oh, there's a dumpling here. Ooh, what that? Where the meat there? Oh, here. All right. Let me try.
Where's the dumplings?
It's so good.
Let me taste that.
Wait, Leo. See, Michelle in love about Chinese food. They're really tasty. It's even much more tasty than in Chinese airport in China. I really loved my wonton soup. That's what I'm calling it. I love it. Like,
Zoom zoom.
I really enjoyed my meal.
So
every time people ask me, what do you like about Jamaica? Like this about Jamaica. Yeah. And they're like this about Jamaica.
Maybe billiard.
They're like this about Jamaica that will soon start beer.
Mango tree?
Mango tree, yeah.
Doesn't that much.
Oh crap. Yeah, we could have fly all the way. Come on, make me half.
But there's no way to get all the way from the same flight. No, I'm not going to do that now. We don't buy 1 to 30. I'm going to get all the way from the same flight.
Jesus. Maybe you can catch the deal now. Same flight. Trina?
But even if we go for
Come on, have to go to. And after they will go like full day, right?
Yeah.
Yay! Yay! I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So you guys, since kids, they have little holidays, Errol decided to take all the way. Alright guys, so the plan changed. So we're gonna fly together, Errol, me and the kids. So I have to do the test too, the antigen test. So we'll try to catch the same place because it's like 4:30 and they close at 5 o'clock. So we're on the toll, yeah, coming from Portmore to the Ocherius, yeah, heading back home. You see me? Yeah, so we called them and they kindly agreed to wait on us. So let's see if we can do the toll within 30 minutes and just do it fast, quick. Yeah, but I really want to do it today because tomorrow I don't want to run because we have a flight.
Tell the people them say flight
after lunch.
Nowhere to stay.
Yeah, but I have nowhere to stay now. I want you to know.
We're trying to find a
Want you to know.
We're trying to find, so we have to
Me not have a
we're not
place
enough
to
to stay.
stay.
We're trying to find an Airbnb to stay. And they're very expensive.
Yeah, and we just checked the Airbnb in Florida. Fort Lauderdale.
In Fort Lauderdale.
Fort.
Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale, yeah. Guys, the Airbnbs, this seems so expensive. Like before when we flew like 2 years ago, we'd been there. Could afford, we could book a place for $60 per night, but no, something impossible. $60 per night, it's impossible. Yeah, because everything starts from 100 US minimum and max is like 1,000, so more than even 1,000. So we are looking at minimum and we still can't find nothing. Yeah guys,
So hopefully
the fans, whoever live in Florida, link me now. anyway, guys, I'll keep you updated. Yeah, on the way to the COVID test. They don't even know that they're going to America with us. Yeah, but Leo, I think Leo will be super excited.
Let me sanitize for you, please, so you can have a seat, okay?
Ah.
I was on my way down from Kingston.
Okay, yeah, I come from Kingston too, but I couldn't pick up any voice. But in my mind, when I come and say, oh, you look a bit lighter than the girl in tonight. But she wouldn't have a mask, I can't really sure, but the complexion, I say, no. This girl look a bit
I was thinking that it was somebody else, but when you said the name, I was like, no, I was on the road and I did this one.
Okay.
I remember it.
Yeah man. The earliest man, I come and do it. And then I drive go Kingston, I'm just a come back now.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? The second one now, okay? Okay, there we go. It wasn't too bad, right? No. Okay.
Alright guys, so I am tested negative, so I'm good to go also with Errol. So it will be our nice family trip, so hope you guys will stay tuned and I'll keep you guys updated. We'll make videos from a new location here. Bye.